Hey, data-driven explorers, welcome back to our channel where we dive into the best tools to boost your efficiency in the field. In today's video, we are unlocking the power of Fulcrum, the game-changing field data collection software that makes gathering, managing, and analyzing data a breeze. Whether you're working in construction, environmental research, asset management, or inspections, this tool is about to revolutionize the way you work. We will show you how to set up Fulcrum, create custom forms, collect data on the go, and of course, analyze it like a pro. So, let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do is visit the official website, which is going to be fulcrumapp.com. From here, you have multiple options. On the top right corner, you have the free demo, free trial, and log in using your credentials. Obviously, we're going to click the free trial. That would lead us to this section. All we have to do is provide all the information needed, your email, create a strong and unique password, and click the create your Fulcrum account. And then you should be able to receive a welcome email from Fulcrum, and then click the verify email address. And then you need to fill in this information and click the continue button. And of course, the website will load up your dashboard. And obviously from here, you just have to wait. Make sure that you are not using a VPN because it can interfere with the loading of your homepage. If you can't access the website, basically Fulcrum is employing a thing called geo restriction on specific location. All right. Now from here, you will be forwarded to the welcome page. You can basically create your first app or let them build for you. Okay, so what we're going to do is click the build it myself. We're going to do it from scratch. Basically, Fulcrum is a field data collection platform designed to streamline data gathering, management, and analysis for various industries. Now, to effectively utilize Fulcrum, you just have to follow with these steps, all right? So you have all these. Number one option is going to be building the layout. It's really a straightforward process. All you have to do is drag and drop all the information on. From the left side, we have essentially all the tools. So for the app name, we're going to put in the app name here. All right, so for the app name, how about we use something like this for the app name. App image, let's do that. Let's add an app image here. And then click the save app. So if you're having problems with that, how about we skip that for now and let's move forward. All right, so let's do that. Don't worry, we got you. Now, here, we're going to enter the label. For example, this is Fulcrum. Click the validation pattern if you want. For now, we're not going to do that. Required field, hidden, and of course, read only. Okay, so for the pattern, say for example, this is Fulcrum. And for the description, let's do that. Try it out. Okay, so we got that. We got the save. And just it. So we have already here. Now you can drag again the numeric if you want. For example, we're going to be having for this single choice or multiple choice. Drag and drop here at the enter label. Say, for example, this is going to be a survey. Enter choices. All right. For example, yes, no, and maybe. That's for their choices. All right. So we already have that in check. So on the media, if you want to add a photo, you can drag and drop it here. Essentially with videos as well, if you want to add a video. Plus the signature. If you want to add a signature, for example, if you wanted to add like a digital signature, you can do that as well here on the Fulcrum. So we're not going to deal with some of the information. And then the hyperlink, which leads us to our, say for example, we're going to quickly switch to our YouTube channel account. Now, once we have finalized everything here, click the save app or go here on the top. Since we have the new app, we're going to go to the map layers. We're gonna leave it for now since we have already discussed the beginner's guide for the map. For the layer, we're gonna say it's gonna be a full Fulcrum app or ArcGIS feature service depending on your preference. For the name, say how to use Fulcrum. Select the app, and that's gonna be the Fulcrum app. So you can find address or place. Let's say we're going to California. If you want, click the search button, California, USA, and select the app if you want, and select members. For example, if you are working with a collaborative environment, you're working with a client or with your team members, you add them here and click the submission. All right, click on done. So we can zoom that here if you want. So for example, around here, maybe if you're looking for Inglewood, Compton, or maybe Beverly Hills, depending on your or maybe Fresno. From here, there's gonna be a toggle switch from here, the plus and minus button. All right, and then create a new layer. So once you have created a new layer, it will be you can update the preview if you want right here. And then there's the you see this small button. If you want to make sure that there's no downtime or no lag or glitch, you make sure that you always check the notifications here. Now, once we have, for example, we have created our map layers. If you want to export that, okay, you have the option to do that. As you can see, these are going to be some of the file. You can choose from Excel file, or Spatialite, or maybe KML, or GeoJSON, so depending on your preference. All right, so these are the desired formats, CSV, and a lot more. So these are going to be your options when using, or when you have saved your customized map using the Fulcrum app. Another option that you can do is go on the plus button here. If you want to create the choice list, click on that, and if you want to add a new choice, you are welcome to do that. All right, you can add a new field settings, sort choices, and create the description. You also have an option for the classification set. If you want to sort all items, you can create it here. Now for the import, if you want to import a file, create a new records. For example, you choose the existing apps. You can basically update existing records or create a new records. But if you have a CSV file or zip that you wanted to import to make your life easier, since you don't want to start from scratch, click the browse option, and of course select a CSV or zip file containing the ESR. Now, having said all of that, if you feel like Fulcrum is going to be the right platform for you, you click the upgrade now button. Why? Because for one, since we are using the free ones for a limited free trial, if you wanted to scale up, you can go for the professional, which comes at $39 per license per month. Obviously, the elite comes at $52 per month. You can select plan, and you have all these options and advantages for you to use. You can utilize and leverage the Fulcrum's app to its full potential. The enterprise is something that I don't want you to sign up for a big commitment until you get familiarized yourself with the free trial. All right. But if you want, just contact the Fulcrum sales professional, and they would give you a tailored fit solution depending on your budget, needs, and goals. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Do not hesitate to contact the support if you have more questions. See you in the next video.